G'day scrappers, back to business as usual. Got my new tubs to sort out my circuit boards and stuff, so new system, so pretty happy with that. I've got a little bit extra room in my driveway, and it's going to be a lot easier to send my circuit boards off to my buyer. So just yeah, I've just been slowly getting into it. I've done a couple of pickups this week and already been scrapping out stuff, and I'm just about to go out and do another pickup for the day, and it's just a regular client. It's a pretty good client, usually get a nice stack of PCs, so thought I'd take you along for the ride and pick up these this e-waste that I'm getting. And yeah, so pretty happy with these tubs. I had to drill holes into the side just to give it a bit of drainage. We had quite a bit of rain last night, and they seem to work well, nice and dry. So yeah, they'll be good. So yeah, looking forward to go and do this pickup. And as most of you know, this is what I do during the week when I'm not street scrapping, is small business picking up e-waste. They're just PCs that I've just scrapped out in the last couple of days that I've had stockpiled. But so yeah, I'll take you along for another ride. I think I've already done a video from this one place. Hoping that there's going to be a few schools to pick up from this in the next month before the holidays, or whilst the school holidays are on. I usually get a lot of little pickups. So let's go and do this job and see what we end up getting. Okay, I'm here, so let's start this job. Okay, let's go around the front and tell them I'm here. Got a big piece of metal to take. Not sure if I'm going to be able to fit it. They wanted to get rid of some kind of piece of steel. Oh, that might be it there. Okay. Oh, well, yeah, I can fit that. Obviously, I don't normally pick up scrap metal, but just to help the clients out. Well, there's a nice piece of extruded. Yeah, just to help them out, you know, I don't refuse. I just take it. Okay.
Won't go flat down, will it?
No, just because the...
Watch your window, yeah? You're up?
Yep. Just got to pull that out.
Yep.
Perfect. Just made it.
Pleasantly surprised.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's good. I'll get rid of it for you. Okay. Yeah.
Feel free to use that one if you like.
Cheers, thanks.
Let me know when you're done and I'll come
Yep.
lock everything up.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Thanks, mate. Okay. UPS. And I'll just take a little light load. That'll do for now. Okay. I'll just have to squeeze in, slide them underneath. Okay, that's 3 PCs and a UPS. Okay, so I'm back and ready to unload all this now. So ended up getting 34 PCs, I think it was, 2 servers, couple of UPSs, one really big UPS, and I think it was about 14 laptops and this big chunk of steel. As I said, I try and take away scrap steel if I can fit it in. They said it was really big, and I said, well, if I can fit it in the van, I'll take it, just to help them out. Normally I don't, you know, obviously take scrap steel away, so but yep, if I can fit it in the van and I've got room, no worries, just to help them out. So there's a big piece of steel, I'm not sure, it looks like a base of a container or something, or not really sure what it was, but a really nice eWaste pickup. There's no real rubbish here. You know, it's one of my favorite clients. They just make it really easy to access the stuff. It's all on the shelf or neatly stacked on the ground, all ready to go. So there's no mucking around, no waiting for, oh, do we have to get rid of this, get rid of that? No, yes. It's just all very straightforward. I wish all of my pickups were more like this. And being on the ground floor, easy access, it just makes it so easy, and all nice clean PCs and laptops, you know, just one monitor. So that's awesome. And it's going to obviously give me a lot more scrap to play with. And yeah, so it looks like all of them, you know, just your standard. They've all had their hard drives removed. That's the only thing with this place. They remove all their hard drives, but everything else is in there. You know, modern slot card, motherboard, RAM, CPU, everything, power supply unit. So yeah, pretty much complete PCs. And a bonus couple of servers. It's the IBM servers that they only have a large single socket motherboard. So yeah, all right. Well, I'm going to start unloading this and start filling up this driveway again. It's not too bad yet, and I just got to scrap as many PCs as I can and start filling up these tubs. A few people are coming, starting to ring me up to sell me eWaste, so I'll be this is what I'm going to be focusing on a lot this year, is the buying of eWaste. I'm also going to be trying to negotiate better prices so I can pay better prices. And so this is going to be probably my core line of business now, is becoming a board buyer and servicing my regular clients, a few new ones. And obviously still going to be doing the occasional street scrapping when I have got a chance on the weekends and stuff, but there's only a few weeks to go, so that's going to be a few months wait before street scrapping comes along, but it's going to give me a chance to do other things, scrap a few interesting items out, get back into my melting copper. I really want to start making ingots. I've been put behind on that, so yeah, it's going to give me a chance to do more interesting things that I'm into, more hobby stuff. And hopefully the board buying will take off, and I'll get more scrappers coming and selling me motherboards and circuit boards and hard drives and things like that. So it should be good. So now it's just time to unload and clear this out for the day, because tomorrow I might go out and do a bit of street scrapping and yeah, just load it all up. All right guys, well, just a little quick video in between my street scrapping videos. Thought I'd just take you along for the little pickup and yeah, just have a bit of fun. Keep scrapping guys, have fun, and I'll catch you next time.